Meet Kira in a stainless steel HB International facility. Watch raw water enter, then move through multigrade filtration and activated carbon, where odors and impurities fade. Next, the RO system pushes it through advanced reverse osmosis for high purity water. UV sterilization and ozone treatment add an extra layer of safety, while every stainless tank and pipeline keeps things hygienic and easy to maintain. Full automation takes over. Bottles are rinsed, filled, capped, labeled, and packed smoothly, consistently, export ready. Rows of crystal clear bottles roll along the conveyor belt, stopping only for quality checks by operators watching in the background. Advanced RO technology, high purity water, fully automatic operation, energy efficient, low maintenance, international quality standards. When the plant runs at full capacity, Kira points to the hero shot and says, "Build your complete mineral water line with HB International. +91 97269 43972.hbinternational.in."